My name is Mike Wood, Southeast Recruiting Manager with Orion Talent. I spent 7 years in the Marine Corps in the logistics field before coming to Orion, where I've been now for 11 and a half years. Our Distinguished Candidate Conferences are our premier hiring conferences. They focus on strategic hiring managers and opportunities that seek out the best candidates that we can find. Positions ranging across both the region that they're located in as well as the nation. I think the primary difference is that strategic hiring manager that I referred to. We see managers that come in looking for multiple positions across their division. That could be across the country or locally. They're definitely looking to fill for a long-term purpose. They're looking to find folks that can grow and promote within their organization. There's a broad range of candidates that could be a good fit, but they need to be top performers. So if you have company command experience and were selected for that based off of your performance, or if you have an advanced degree, we see a lot of companies looking for technical skills. So your engineers and your academy graduates that have that general engineering curriculum, they could be a great fit. It's direct access to director level and above hiring managers. I think getting that face-to-face with these individuals that have proven themselves within their organizations to hire the best folks that they can find are the key advantages to come into a conference. It's a broad range, but some of the ones that I would say are most consistent would be medical sales. We see project management roles, in particular in construction, not necessarily requiring construction experience, but definitely looking for the project management experience, as well as manufacturing roles, looking for those strong leaders and individuals that can manage a budget. I would say those are the key roles that we typically see. We have 11 Distinguished Candidate Conferences in 2019, and we'll kick off the first quarter in Atlanta on February 11th and 12th. Then we'll head out west to Houston, March 4th and 5th, and San Diego on those same dates. We'll come back east at the end of March on the 25th and 26th in Philadelphia. It's the best opportunity for a senior leader within the military, ranging from your top tier NCO up to your academy graduate with that company command experience, to find the opportunity that will be the best fit for them in the private sector. We'll be looking at companies throughout the first quarter that will be looking for folks that can start in the summertime, which is your prime transition season. So it would be the best option to consider.